Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a button. Okay, first you'll need your plate. First you'll need a 3x3, or I think that's what it's called. I don't really know, but a 3 long thing. And then you'll need a 2, another 2, a 3, and a 2. So all you need to do is just keep building up. So just a 3, 3, 3, 3. They fit on perfectly. Really easy to do. So there, now we have the base. Then you'll need a green tile that has the bump in the middle and one of these, but it has to, so you can slide it around, so put it right in the middle. Take this guy off, it should all stick together. Put this right in the middle like that. And put this guy over it. For now, you'll need a spring from a pen. So take apart a pen, find the spring. Need a 4x4, I think. I don't know. So you put that in like that. Place that in. Take this. Put it in the hole. And there. You have a button. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.